The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing redesigns in recent years, and new leaked images of its case give us a closer look at just how different this device will be. A fresh set of images posted by well-known leaker Sonny Dixon showcases the iPhone 17 Pro Max inside a MagSafe case. While the case may seem like a minor detail, this one highlights key changes in the phone's design, especially around the camera layout. Compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the case features noticeable adjustments to accommodate relocated components, hinting at a significant shift in the phone's aesthetics. As previous leaks have suggested, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will retain the familiar triangular camera arrangement. However, the camera bump now extends further horizontally. Additionally, the LED flash, microphone, and LiDAR scanner have been stacked vertically towards the end of what appears to be a rectangular camera bar. This new layout closely resembles the design language seen in Google's Pixel phones, marking a departure from Apple's traditional approach. Interestingly, this camera bar is not exclusive to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Leaks suggest that the standard iPhone 17 Pro will also adopt this design, further solidifying Apple's shift towards a more streamlined camera layout. Even the iPhone 17 Air, which is rumored to replace the Plus model, is expected to feature a similar camera bar. However, since the iPhone 17 Air is anticipated to have only a single rear camera, its camera strip will likely be slimmer compared to the Pro models. Surprisingly, the base model iPhone 17 appears to be sticking with the existing camera design. This decision raises questions about Apple's strategy and whether the company is intentionally differentiating its lower-end models by keeping them visually distinct from the Pro variants. While many sources have echoed claims about the new camera bar, some skepticism remains. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a highly reputable Apple insider, has suggested that the alleged iPhone 17 Pro design is based on a fake sketch. Despite this, information previously reported that the iPhone 17 Pro feature a larger rectangular camera island, aligning with the latest leaks. Even if this specific design leak is inaccurate, the broader expectation remains that Apple will introduce some form of visual overhaul with the iPhone 17 lineup. Design stagnation has been a recurring concern for Apple. Over the past 5 generations, iPhones have maintained a relatively unchanged appearance. With smartphone buyers looking for fresh and innovative designs, Apple is under pressure to shake things up. A new design could be the push needed to reinvigorate consumer interest, especially after a period of sluggish demand. One aspect that remains unclear from the leaked images is whether Apple will shrink the dynamic island, as some reports have suggested. If true, this could lead to a more immersive display experience. However, without more concrete evidence, this remains speculative for now. Regardless of the finer details, one thing is certain: the iPhone 17 Pro Max is poised to break away from Apple's recent design trends. Whether the camera bar proves to be a game changer or a mere aesthetic shift, the move signals Apple's willingness to experiment with its signature design. With the official launch still some time away, more leaks are bound to surface, painting a clearer picture of what's to come. For now, Apple fans can look forward to a device that promises to stand out not just in performance but in appearance as well. With growing anticipation surrounding the iPhone 17 series, it's only a matter of time before we see just how much Apple is willing to shake up its tried-and-true formula. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.